Hello, I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We share simple health advice that can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60. Many people believe eating before bed is always unhealthy. That is not completely true. 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep may help your body in several important ways. As we get older, blood sugar becomes less stable during the night. When it drops too low, your body releases stress hormones that can wake you up and leave you tired in the morning. Natural peanut butter contains protein and healthy fats that release energy slowly, helping keep blood sugar more stable while you sleep. Peanut butter also contains tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin. These natural chemicals help your brain relax and support deeper, more refreshing sleep. Better sleep also gives your muscles more time to recover, because most muscle repair happens overnight. Another benefit is magnesium. Many older adults do not get enough of this important mineral. Magnesium supports healthy muscles, helps calm the nervous system, may reduce nighttime leg cramps, and supports a healthy heartbeat. The healthy fats in peanut butter may also help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Choose natural peanut butter with only peanuts or peanuts and a little salt. Avoid products with added sugar or hydrogenated oils because they reduce many of these benefits. The best amount is 1 tablespoon if you eat it with half an apple, half a banana, or 1 slice of whole grain toast. If you eat peanut butter by itself, 1 to 2 tablespoons is enough. Give your body at least 30 minutes before lying down. This habit is not right for everyone. If you have a peanut allergy, acid reflux, or diabetes treated with medication, speak with your doctor before making this part of your nightly routine. Remember, peanut butter is not a miracle food, but it can be a simple habit that supports better sleep, steadier energy, muscle recovery, and heart health when combined with a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.